Sorry about that. Hey! Bobby!
Bobby! Oh, wow. This is some heavy rain now. Proper job and chips. And 50th time in here, and we've finally been allowed to sit in the locals table. Right, heading up the hilltop, we're gonna find Mike, who's already pitched. I think Kerry's up there as well. Should be a good laugh. They promised chance of thunderstorms, heavy rain all night. We shall see. Sun's out at the moment, so
Just like that, you pull a rabbit out of the hat.
new tent to try out. So I'm hoping it works. Path is pretty wet today. We've had a lot of rain today. Heart rate 113 up a slope. Rufus is weighing the distance already. Trying to burn us off. See if we can catch him. Someone's lost a hat. Let's see if we can overtake him to give it back to him. Halfway up the mountain. Me and Drew are on race pace again.
Easy money.
Easy money. We're gonna catch up with these dudes who dropped the hat now. There they are. The culprits. The hat droppers. It's tucked in my waistband, sorry, so it might be a bit sweaty. As they say, hook a left. Taking the direct route up the old incline. Hat didn't belong to them boys, so it's mine now. If it gets cold tonight, sorted. So, top heart rate up the hill, 114. Just come to the top, 97 already. I'm pretty good. So there's the peak. Mike is just to the right. Come on, can we find him? I think he's near this wall, so easy enough. You can't camp there, mate! Nature Link tent. Guys, to try out. This is a trekking pole tent. 1.3 kilos. I've been reluctant to take it out because I thought you'd have to seam seal it. It's already seam sealed. Bloody brilliant. Why can't they all come like this? You know what I mean?
What's it called?
Nature Link.
That's a rip off of Nature Link, is it?
It's like a land shan thing, it is, you know? Eggs look right.
Quite a nice colour, isn't
Pretty
it?
tidy. I think it's called like a forest green. It's not very green, mine. Oh, I like that. Right, so it's pretty standard. It's like just peg up the four corners, it looks like. Two trekking poles in here. It's pretty easy. For 125 first.
I think we will. It's been cold early on.
I can just adjust it up and down now. Seal on the zip. The rain can't get in. It's not two way, it's only one way, it looks like. Put the spike upwards. If you're feeling brave enough, I'll give it a go.
No, it's like it's a little bit heavier.
125 is too high, so we're going for 120.
Yeah.
Right, so that's 4 pegs in with the poles at 120. It's looking pretty good, actually. Pretty chuffed with that. Especially as it seems sealed already. Pretty much set up, so that's 8 pegs in there now. That's all we need, really. Plenty of extra guy lines you can stick out. Only an extra 2 pegs though, so it's lacking a little bit. Needs a few extras to it. Reminds me of the Lanshan a lot. Lanshan 2. But, yeah, first impression's really good. I think it looks really nice actually. Alright, this is the first thing I've seen now, so I put it as loose as I can down there, but there's no way that's going to reach to this peg, so there's going to have to be extra pegs down here. Seeing the setup, I've put these to 125 and I've angled them, because otherwise, look, it's right in the way of your door. Couldn't quite fit to the other poles, the other pegs, sorry, on the both points. So I put extra to that side. Inside, got masses of room, enough for 2 people. Got pockets there. Just noticed that should be attached to that, look. Because I had it slightly off center, that was coming unclipped. You can see it's got a bend to it. So it's supposed to be like slightly over this way a little bit. But I couldn't get it attached to the pegger point, so it wasn't quite right. Apart from that, it looks quite good. She loves him. Poppy loves a bit of Mike.
I smell nice. It's like in the new lobs.
Back for more.
New lobs every time. Go down on the new lobs.
So Nathan's got the Pioneer 2. This is his tried and tested. He knows it's banging. Do you know, Nathan?
Oh yeah.
What have you got to say about the Pioneer 2?
I like it.
How much?
Very much. I like it a lot.
This is his go-to, is it?
Done me very good.
So you got the one Tigress. Not sure the name of that tent. The Vern 1? Vern 1. The Altair 2. And the Hillberg Acto. Got to dive back in the tent. The rain has started chucking down now. Mad scramble. Try and stay dry. Pretty wet. Stuck in the tent. That's how it goes. Wow. This is some heavy rain now. Some of the boys are outside in the waterproofs. Let's have a look. Hey! Oh my god, this is proper heavy. Poppy's new sleeping bag. I bought this for £1. She's already found stuff right at the bottom, stick a nose out. Done.
Most of the come in.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're right then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we homie.
Yeah. Come on, wait.
Sorry, ma. Hey! Bobby!
Bobby! Oh, that might be funny to do
Keep
also.
yourself.
Come here, you.
Get here, you little. They gonna bolt, well, grab hold of it. They gonna walk about.
I think we've actually just gone backwards. Yeah. Show us you can then, Drew.
Huh?
Show us you can then. This is like a special. How much this cost you?
10 quid.
10 quid.
I know.
14.5%.
I got another one in the house.
Upside down caterpillar cake.
This is warm, mate.
Calling the caterpillar cake.
Yeah, it does look like Colin.
So that's what I think it is based on.
Yeah.
I was going to say what.
Here's the camp. Right, Kerry's starting to cook. Mike's doing some cooking over that way. Shells looking fantastic.
Straight in the vein.
Juice in the vein in the background. We won't show that. Nah.
Never be the same.
Oh, lucky dog. Look at that. Right, food time. What's he doing?
Just some chicken curry.
You me like
Chicken
corn
curry.
flake without the milk.
Looking a bit stodgy, to be honest.
You're like a squirrel, just
right.
trying to get a nut.
What's Mike up to?
Oh, I got toasty there, buddy.
That's pretty good, man.
Look at that.
Fair play.
Right. Pepperoni and cheese toasties in the pan.
Oh, nice.
Tomato ketchup.
Very good
Very
effort.
nice.
Come to me in a minute, now. It's like a
Prawns on.
French restaurant, like.
Yeah. Oh, I know you're about.
I've
Not
got
that that.
Yeah.
It's the sister
That's
one.
the
That
bolognese.
member, isn't it?
Yeah.
boil in the bag, jobby.
One end of one feet.
What have you got, Nate?
Yeah, bottom end of Oxford Street.
Burgers
Yeah.
and steak.
Sweet.
In a Cracker Jack box.
Lots of prawns. Look a bit brown, Nate.
Yeah, that's good though.
Oh, they meant much.
They always look good to me, but they make me sick.
Nah, you haven't tried it. My
Poppy's still living, Mike. As always. What's he doing? What do you got there?
if you get
A
burger.
There you are.
Burger?
Yeah.
It used to be a burger.
It used to be a burger, yeah.
Now it's like bits of a burger.
Yeah.
With this black expression. Sweet. Poppy, hey, the mushroom, Dev, no, not there. Go on, it's auto, mate. Oh,
Nice. I've jumped like in the tent. People are wrecked, to be honest. Being woken up by the tent flapping about. Just had to get out and tighten it up. It's got really windy. I see the tent moving around me. It was much louder than this just now. Gotta tighten up the peg up points. It's a bit better now. Rob's 3 in the morning. Oh god. Here's someone else's tent flapping about as well. Views for days. Sleeping bag, work the treat. She did keep climbing out of it though, that's the only thing. Had to keep putting it back in. Loved it though. Chair worked alright. Didn't it set the inner up right, like. Bit of playing about, get it nicer. It's alright though. Yeah, Harbour State, they crashed out. A loop for your lantern. Pockets, not very good, are they? It's too big. Just go floppy. Alright though. You like it, don't you? Only breakfast this morning now. Coffee. You've had yours. She's been going around saying hello to everyone. It's been really friendly. What? No. R.I.P. Tarp. Oh, this is a very long time. You want to get a new one for ages, so got a good excuse now. New chair works a treat. Extra wide load thing. Bit fiddly to set up, it is. Gonna take this out. That goes down. Yeah, £8 at the boot sale. Bargain. There's a storm of brewing. Place your bets. So we gotta get wet on the way home. Just pack it down now, waiting for Nathan as usual. Everything else is gone. Just that boy. Look at him. See how slowly he packs his tent. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week to see whether I make it past 8:30. Ta-da. Thanks to my members. If you want to be a part of this list, it's the join button below or Patreon. and your name will be up on the videos then. If you haven't checked out my new channel, it's about reselling online. I'll put the link below for that as well. That's called Agent Adam. Just started that one. If that's your thing, go and check it out. Thank you and goodbye for now. Brigdy Brigo.